Hey guys, wanna know how to add serialization in Kotlin? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it using JSON and back in just another minute. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now in this video, I'm just going to use Playground, but you can use the same code to implement it. Now first up, what you can do is simply copy this code right here. You need to first import the serialization library and use Add Serializable annotation to your data class. This marks the class ready for conversion. For example, we have a simple user class here with name and age. To turn it into JSON, we use JSON.encode to string and parenthesis user. And this works great for saving data, sending it over APIs, or reading from files, and it's 100% type safe. Just make sure to add the Kotlin serialization plugin and dependencies if you are doing this in a full project. And that's how you easily add Kotlin serialization. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.